We are asked to simplify this. Now, this is not easy because the power is even, is odd, okay? Normally, in this type of question, the first thing we need to do is to specifically call whatever we have inside this bracket x. Now, the normal way would have been to call this x and find x squared, okay? So once we find x squared, we square it to get x to the power of 4. We square it to get x to the power of 8, okay? But this time around, we have 7, which is an odd number. So that is where the twist comes in. But it's actually easy, but just a bit twisted. Now, let's do this together. So like I said, first, we need to call whatever we have inside this bracket x, okay? So we will say, let square root of 39 plus square root of 3 divided by square root of 12 be equal to x. So we need to simplify this. Square root of 39, if we simplify 39, let's do it here. We say that 3 will divide this to give us 13. So 39 is the same thing as the 3 times 13. So we're going to replace 39 with square root of 3 times 13 plus square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 multiplied by 4. Okay? Yeah, because 3 times 4 will give us 12. Now, this is equal to x, right? So let's factorize root 3 since it's common. When this is divided by root 3, root 13 will remain. Plus when this is divided by root 3, 1 will remain. Divided by, when you bring out root 3 from here, root 4 will remain. Okay? Alright. So this is equal to x. Now root 3 will remove root 3. And we are left with root 13 plus 1 divided by 2, because square root of 4 is 2, is equal to x. Now if we cross multiply, 2 times x is 2x, is equal to square root of 13 plus 1. Now let's transfer this to this side. If we do that, we have 2x minus 1 is equal to root 13. Remember that our intention is to get x squared, okay? And the easiest way to do that is to square both sides of this equation. So let's square both sides. If we square both sides, we have 2x minus 1 squared is equal to root 13 squared. So note that a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Also, note that square root of a squared is equal to a. So using these two, or substituting them into this equation, we are going to have 2x squared minus 2 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1 plus 1 squared. Okay, that is it for this. Is equal to, then this becomes 13. So remember that AB raised to the power of 2 is equal to A to the power of 2 multiplied by B to the power of 2. So 2x to the power of 2 will become 2 squared multiplied by x squared minus 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4x plus 1 squared is 1 is equal to 13. If we simplify further, we have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 13. Now let's transfer this to this side. So we have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 13 is equal to 0. So we have 4x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let's divide both sides by 4. So if we do that, we will have 4x squared divided by 4 minus 4x divided by 4 minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to 0 divided by 4. So this will give us x squared minus 4. sorry, minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Remember, we want x squared, so let's transfer other ones to the other side. So we are going to have that x squared is equal to minus x will cross to become plus x, minus 3 will cross to become plus 3. And this is the most important equation ever. Alright, now we have found x squared. Remember the drill. Then we need to square it. So let's square both sides. If we square both sides, we have x squared raised to the power of 2 is equal to x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Please hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us. Okay, yeah, please give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Like, comment and share. It means a lot to us, as it helps the algorithm to push the video more so that it can get to the students that need it for their different examinations. So then at your convenience, you must see something to watch by grace of God. Thank you. So this is where we are, that x to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. So this will give us x to the power of 2 multiplied by 2, because a to the power of m to the power of n, you just multiply the 2 to get one power, is equal to, this will be x squared plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 plus 3 squared. So here we have x to the power of 4 is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. Recall that x squared is x plus 3. Okay, x squared is x plus 3. So we are going to replace that with x plus 3. So we write x plus 3 plus 6x plus 9. You see why I said it's very important. It helps us to simplify this without continuously solving polynomials. Okay, so we have x to the power of 4 is x plus 6x is 7x plus 3 plus 9 is plus 12. So remember, we square again, right? Okay, so we square both sides. So if we do that, we have x to the power of 8 is equal to, this will be 7x squared plus 2 multiplied by 7x multiplied by 12 plus 12 squared. So x to the power of 8 is 7 squared multiplied by x squared plus 2 times 12 is 14, and 14 times 7, sorry, 2 times 12 is 24, and 24 times 7 will give us 168. So you have 168x plus 12 squared is 144. Alright, so we have x to the power of 8 is equal to 7 squared is 49. So you have 49x squared plus 168x plus 144. Alright, now this is 168. Okay, so remember your x squared, that x squared is equal to x plus 3. Yeah, so we always replace x squared with x plus 3. So we have x to the power of 8 is 49 bracket x plus 3 plus 168x plus 144. So x to the power of 8 is 49 times x is 49x plus 49 times 3 will give us 9 times 3 is 27. So we write 7 and carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2, 14. So we have 147. Alright, now plus 168x plus 144. We have x to the power of 8 is equal to, so we add 49x to 168x. X and x, it will end in x, the answer, right? 9 plus 8 is 17, right? 7 carry 1. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry 1. Put it here, we have 2. So we have 217x plus. Now 147 plus 144, 4 plus 7 is 11, carry 1. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, so this is what we have. But remember that we are looking for x to the power of 7. Now remember this rule, that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. If we want, that means if you want to get 7, we need to subtract 1 from 8. And that means we are dividing this side by x to the power of 1, right? So we are going to divide both sides because we can't do that on one side. So divide both sides by x to the power of 1. So we have x to the power of 8 over x to the power of 1 is equal to 217x plus 291 over x to the power of 1. So this will give us x to the power of 8 minus 1 using this particular theorem. Law, sorry, is equal to, so this is 217x divided by x plus 291 divided by x. So we have x to the power of 7 is this, we divide this, we have 217 plus this same thing as 291 multiplied by 1 over x. Now note that if our x is equal to this, it implies that 1 over x, okay, let's use the simplified version. Okay, all right. Now, according to our simplified version, yeah, this, if x is equal to root 13 plus 1 over 2, so it implies that 1 over x should be equal to 2 over root 13 plus 1. Okay, so this is what we are going to substitute here. So we have x to the power of 7 is 217 plus 291 multiplied by 2 divided by root 13 plus 1. So x to the power of 7 is 217 plus 291 multiplied by 2 over root 13 plus 1. Now let's rationalize. To rationalize, we multiply by the conjugate of this, which is root 13 minus 1, and divide by the same thing. All right, so now we have x to the power of 7 is 217 plus 291 multiplied by this times this is 2 brackets root 13 minus 1, okay, divided by this times this is the same thing as root 13 squared minus 1 squared. Yes, that is because a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now, if we solve further, we can say that x to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus, now 291 can be expressed as 3 times 97, right? So we have 3 times 97 multiplied by 2 brackets root 13 minus 1 divided by root 13 squared will give us 13 and 1 squared is 1. So we have x to the power of 7 is equal to 217 plus 3 times 2 is 6, so it's 6 minus multiplied by 97 brackets root 13 minus 1 divided by 12. Okay, so if we solve further, this is where we stopped. This is where we stopped, that x to the power of 7 is equal to, I'm trying to keep this well, okay, is equal to 217 plus 6 multiplied by 97 brackets root 13 minus 1 divided by 12. So this is where we stopped. So we have x to the power of 7 is 217 plus, now 6 we divide this to give us 2. So we have 97 brackets root 13 minus 1 divided by 2. Now x to the power of 7 is 217 plus. Now 97 times this will give us 97 root 13. 97 times minus 1 is minus 97 divided by 2. Hope you have subscribed. Okay. And hope you have given us a thumbs up here. So x to the power of 7 then should be equal to, the LCM is 2, 1 divides 2 is 2, 2 times this will give us 2 times 7 is 14, carry 1, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 times 2 is 4. So this is what we will have, plus when this is divided by this is 1, so we still have this remaining. Okay, so x to the power of 7 is 434 minus 97, and this will give us 337. So we have 337 plus 97 root 13 divided by 2. So this is the final answer, because remember that our x is, this is the question. So this is the question, this to the power of 7, and we said let this be x. So it means that x to the power of 7 will give us this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.